Hello friends, once again welcome back to another video. After a long time I am making this video and now I am at Malaysia Dry Dock. You can see this is the mini tanker and this is now under maintenance. Blasting has been done and blasting means the state area has been removed and now it is going to be primer and after that painting. This is the anchor of this vessel and there are lots of tugboat and machi boat. You can see this is also tugboat. You can see this vessel's blasting has been done and primer and painting has been done. Now it is now work is going on main deck. So through this video I want to tell you about Merchant Navy reality. I saw some video on YouTube and there was written join Merchant Navy and earn 10 to 15 lakh. Is it right or not? Yes, it is right, but there was not told a bad thing about Merchant Navy and there is not told what is the best way, what struggle you have to do, what is happening in the market and which department is best for you and from which institute you should do courses. Each and everything we are going to cover in this video. So friends, if you want to come in this field, so please this video is really going to fruitful for you. So nowadays new candidate they are making big mistakes. If you want to earn so much from this field, then avoid this mistake. If you do this mistake, you are going to break your dreams. So first thing what new candidate are doing, interdependent. They are totally interdependent, means someone will come and they will tell you from which institute you should do courses and what is the best way to join Merchant Navy and they will get you job. It is not like that. No one will care about you. Everything means everyone just think how to get money from you. Just he think about one profit. So I was also thinking like that, but agent made me courses, but when it's come to placement, then institute didn't get me placement. So nowadays it is happening so much, because if you go to Mumbai Seaman Hostel, there you will get lots of candidates. They are struggling, means they are struggling 1.5 year 2 years, but they are not getting job. What mistake they did? They did courses from that institute from where placement they didn't get placement. So if you want to come in this field, what mistake basically you should not do? First thing is that please choose right institute, because in the world there are lots of institute. They will make you courses, but when it come to placement they will not get you placement. And now there are mostly candidate are doing courses by agent. It is bad thing, because after making courses agent will not receive your call. Then what will you do? Then mostly candidate what they think, they think like I go to Simman, I go to Mumbai and there I will get job. It is not like that. I also struggle there and mostly candidate are struggling over there. And you visit, because every companies need experiences and when you go to agent they will charge you 6 to 7 lakh. And now when I was in Seaman Hostel, I saw candidate are paying 7 lakh rupees only for 6 months. It is the very big amount. So please don't do this mistake, and before doing any courses, check on Google which institute is good, and after complete course is that provide placement or not. And second mistake, please choose right courses, because mostly candidate what they are making mistake, they are doing wrong courses. After doing courses they think like I should not have done these courses. If you want to become officer soon, then I would suggest you should go through BTech Marine Engineer, DNS and BSc Nautical Science, these courses. And if you don't have more money, then you should do GP rating. You can do GP rating, and please do GP rating from that institute where you will get placement. Otherwise you will be very bothered. So I have seen some candidates, they have lot of qualifications, like even they did a polytechnic, BTech engineering, still they did a GP rating. Why? Because they don't have knowledge, and agent made him courses GP rating, and it is the wrong thing, because they had a good opportunity if they did ATO courses, because nowadays ATO requirement is everywhere. If you want to quit merchant after some time, still you will get job on land. And if I talk about ATO courses, and ATO courses around 3 months or 4 months, it is around 3 or 4 months, and fee also less compared to GP rating. So if you have completed your BTech and Polytechnic, please go through ETO, Electrical Technical Officer. And please don't do, after watching video, please don't do that mistake, because mostly candidate they didn't have knowledge and agent made him courses. And next mistake, what is the next mistake? Please, before doing any courses, choose the right department. Nowadays is social media era, and before doing any courses, you go on YouTube. There you will get lots of video where was tell where was told everything about means what work you have to do. If you are interested in deck side, then what work you have to do, and what struggle you have to face, and how many hours you have to do. If you choose engine side, then how many work you have to do, how many hours, why candidate don't like engine room, each and everything you will get. And after watching video, choose so many things. I have seen some candidate, they are told you must join engine side, you must join deck side. It is a wrong thing. If I tell you engine department is good for you, it is not good, because when you go on ship, then you feel I cannot tolerate I cannot tolerate much noise, I cannot tolerate there is lot of heat. So according to your interest, choose your department. And I also seen some candidate, after spending lot of money, and they did courses, and after courses they don't want to go on ship. Why? Because they didn't know about bad thing about merchant navy, because this is not like that job you will go on job 9 to 5. It is not like that. Here you have to stay away from your home and friends 6 to 9 months, and there also will be less internet, and there is no social life. And so many candidates is like that, they cannot adjust everyone. So please, before doing any courses, go on YouTube and see bad thing and good thing about merchant navy. After that, do any courses, otherwise you will be regret. So if you want to become officer soon, then I would suggest you should go to BTech, BSc, DNS, these courses. If you do GP rating, then if I talk about GP rating to officer, how much time it will take so much time. That's why I will not recommend you should go through GP rating. If you don't have much amount, then you can go, it is no problem. If you have enough money, then you should go to BTech and these courses. And if I talk about salary, if the salary of rating on ship, if you did GP rating, means rating से वर्क क्या होता है, means cleaning, shipping, canteen से means mostly assist करना officers को. If I talk about salary, the salary officer salary on ship is more, and rating salary is less. So everyone come in this field only for earning money. So please choose right way according to your choice. Let's meet next video. Tell them thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.